Good evening, everyone. What a couple of days it's been in crypto, eh? Hope everyone's still hanging in there. Hope you didn't get flushed out. Don't worry if you did, it happens to the best of us, especially if you're just starting out. So let's just have a quick look, recap on how things are doing. So the market just went crazy. We could tell you the breakout was coming in 48 hours by this wedge. We knew the breakout was likely on Monday because big institutions were coming back. We also said, watch out for the fake out. So if you've been watching my videos for this last week, I've only been going for a week. I'm not always going to be right, but I think a high probability of the time I will definitely be able to help guide you guys and at least give you some answers if you need it, or at least a direction where I think it may go. So we've got the breakout, we got the flush out, and we're now above 100, and we're above the Fibonacci level as well. So things are looking good. And we have bullish divergence on the RSI. So higher high, lower low. This means price is more likely to go up. Now it doesn't tell you when, but it tells you it's going to go up. So, this is how the market is. It's going to chew you up and chew you out. And we just need to stay in the game, have a nice calm head, and just get ourselves through the charts. And always, every day, just the more you understand the charts, the more comfortable you get. And it becomes so much easier. So as I was saying there, this was likely to bounce because we got 1, 2, and we also had the fib extension as well. So 3 solid lines of triple glazing, you know what I mean? I know Windows isn't a good an example because you can smash a window, but imagine it like that, but with concrete. Just three doors instead of 1 door you're trying to break through. So we're up. Now, let's see how things are going to progress, because we don't know how things are going to progress. The liquidation seems to have balanced out, which is good. And we had the ETF's outflow, good inverse indicator. So, the ETFs, institutions, they all panic sold. And they do it all the time at the bottom, and they FOMO buy at the top. So we've got this indicator, strong indication. Our long shorts are now back into balance, which is good. Liquidation map looks even. So it looks like the bulk of the moves played. So it's come down, it's taken all the liquidity and it's come up for this little bit here. So remember I was saying, the market doesn't leave that £10 on the table. It's going to come back for it. So try not to freak out. This is just the games they play to shake you out. It's at least coming back up for this. See, it's just come down, taken all the liquidity. Panic sold, taken a lot, and now it's moving up. Now, is it likely to move up here? I think so. When the move's been so aggressive and hard like that, it's flushed right down. So now we start to think, so I kind of think of the market with psychology and technical analysis. I kind of form an idea and then follow it with technical analysis, probably the best way. So I think now the liquidity's built up here. So is it worth coming down for this? I mean, if there's two, all my analogies are all pub related, so I don't know if that's a good sign, but you've got 2 pub tables and a thief's coming in, because these guys, they take your stop losses, they are thieves, and they've got 2 tables, kind of even spread, 1 table there, 1 table there. This table's got a tenner on it, this table's got 100 on it. Which one are they going to steal? They're going to steal 100. So that's generally my baseline. It's like, if they're about halfway, which has got more? Why it's more? It makes sense to move up here. So then we look, okay, that's the kind of idea we got. It's going to move up here and it's going to take this liquidity. Especially, look, it came up here and didn't take it and went back down and built it up. So it built it up. Now, did it build it up for a reason? So it's going to come up there and come up here and take this, potentially. Now, we've got the wick down, strong reversal, bullish divergence, bounce off the resistance. All looking good, and a close above. Now, if it comes up here and takes this liquidity, this would make sense. It comes up and takes it. Now, this is similar to what I said in the wedge. I'm like, it'll take out this liquidity up here and then decide where to go, but I want to flush out, fake out first, and then it looks like, we still need to see things play out, but it looks like it's going to come up and I'll take this liquidity. And then you think, okay, what would be the next move? Now, if this gets up here and breaks an all-time high, I think the FOMO is going to get wild, which will either send it right up, just shoot it off like a rocket, or there'll be so much liquidity with everyone opening 100x longs, 50x longs, 20x longs, all the stop losses, it's going to build up this liquidity here. So you could almost see like a sweep the top, crunch some souls, and off you go. So that's my general idea. Take that liquidity, and then depending on how much gets opened, how much FOMO comes in the market, I might just take that down and crush people again. And then when they're happy, when they've taken enough money out of this range, they'll move on. It's like a pinball machine. You know what I mean? You're just standing here in the end. It's just, the ball's just flying around inside until it goes up, until it gets shot up or it falls down. It's just thrown around in the pinball machine. So that's a general idea. It's going to come up there, take the liquidity, depending on how much gets opened up, and we'll use these heat maps to get as a gauge, come down, sweep it, and then potentially go on. Or it might just range for a wee bit longer. Yeah, hey, that's another option, to be fair, now thinking about it. It might just range a wee bit longer, and then building up this until it's real juicy, and then take it. So we'll see. Yeah, we'll just have to see how that one plays out. But let's have a look. Anything else? I want to really just concentrate on Bitcoin there, because I know a lot of people will be panicking. Look, we're in the bull market. We're in the bull market. In the bull market. In the bull market. Now, as this bull market goes on, they're just going to try and flush you out. That's why you need to find someone. If you're just new in the market, or you are still learning, if you can just find someone, it doesn't have to be me, but find someone who makes sense to you. And if what they're saying makes sense, that will bring, even if it reduces your stress by 50%, that's 50%, okay. I know there's going to be a breakout, or I know this is going to happen. Even just saying, right guys, there's a breakout coming. Don't know which way it's going to go. at least you are prepared. It's going to break, it might go top, might go the bottom. At least given that hint will reduce your stress. So, keep in there, guys. There's going to be more and more games that is getting played as the bull market goes on. And the USDT dominance, check me out saying that, good. It's popped up and it's wicked straight back down again. Still in that descending triangle. This is a bearish pattern. Let me just get... This is a big bearish weekly descending triangle. It's actually got a bit of a crazy measured move on it as well. How much is that, just out of curiosity? I'm not going to say it's going to go down this far. No, that will never go that far. That will just be insane. Okay. So, we've survived the breakdown, fake out, however it plans out to be. We survived that. Dixie looks like to have found some sort of potential bounce zone anyway. And they've got a doji candle there. That's a reversal candle on the daily. So you see it starting to move up. So if this starts to move up, we want to see it retest something like this and then come down. We don't want to see this going up. That's why I've got the green as in good and the red as in bad for the dollar. Because as the dollar dumps, people move their money from the dollar into stuff like the stock market, crypto, things like that. Okay, just a quick one today, just to really just a check-in for anyone who kind of got caught out there. Yeah, don't let them shake you out. Sometimes it feels like the world's ending, but it never is. Like I said, if you tune into the charts, find someone that makes sense, listen to them, and take it from there. And if you guys listened to me in the last couple of days and you found that helpful, I mean, I'm not going to get everything right, but if you found any of this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I'm trying to grow this channel. I've got 4 subscribers in the first week, and I must be close. Maybe 70, 80 views, so I'm actually going to reach after that, to be fair. I didn't expect it to be so good on the first week, but yeah, much thanks, and I'll be back again tomorrow, making another video, keeping you guys in this market so we can all make money, have a party at the end of it. Nice one, guys. Cheers. I'll speak to you tomorrow again. Cheers.